Hello everybody, it is me, classyfenNYT, and today I'm making a little video that has a follow-up to what is probably my most popular video, and that is about my Xbox One controller that I had break, that I made a little video about because one of the triggers stopped working on it. And this is kind of just to answer some questions and bring a little bit and help some people. So first, I want to make this clear. It actually did start working again. It actually started working again, and I think it might have been tied to the actual computer / my hardware I was using, because on my new PC, which is my Acer Nitro 5, and my Xbox One, it works fine. Now second, I want to talk about this. I want to make this clear. If your controller is having issues and it's a first party official Xbox One, Xbox One S, Xbox Elite controller, do not ask me. Please do not ask me to help you. I'm not an official support person for Microsoft. If you want help, please contact them. Please contact official Microsoft support, because possibly you could get your controller repaired for free, or you could get a new one for free if it's still under warranty. And if you don't know where that is, I will have a link to their support page in the description. 3. So there is only 2 powerA products I will ever recommend, and that is their Joy-Con controller and their smaller cases, as I like to call them, their throw them in a bag cases. I call them that because their cheap little $10 ones are good quality, but they don't have a handle on them. And then their Joy-Con grips, they're just straight up a better thing than the ones that actually come with the system. Now, other than that, do not buy, because I actually had another controller fail on me, and we're going to talk about that in the 4th little thing here. 4 is just generally good luck with their support, because I tried contacting them for a 360 controller that I had that was stick drifting, and it was actually have a video showing it, I think, on this channel. And if I can find it, I will put it down in the description too. So yeah, but I'm gonna more just explain in depth this story. So when I bought my, as I like to call it, the hashtag $10 360 from Goodwill, there was one little catch with it. You're going to need your own controller, and it had one game which I actually have gameplay of on this channel. It's in my Patreon, explaining my Patreon video, and that was Kung Fu Panda. By the way, I think Jack Black should do a Let's Play on Kung Fu Panda, the video game. Just putting that out there. But luckily, or at least I thought, it was a good thing at the time, I had a mini 360 controller. So it was a normal 360 controller, but it was just small. And we actually called it the Baby Hands 360 controller back when I was in Video Game Club. And it's wired. So I was like, I know I have a wired 360 controller, so this is fine. All I need is games, which I actually do have a good number now of games. So yeah, I thought, oh, this is all going to be fine. Then it started stick drifting. And that's where that video I was talking about, so I'd be like playing like Project Gotham Racing 2, and it would just go boop. It would just like spin. It would just like spin, spin your view around, and it made it near impossible to play. And actually, that issue is what got me to start driving in first person view, is because in like PGR 3, if I drove in first person view, it would just make me look down. It would just make the character look down. And I actually had a solution for this, and it did work. And that was, I just synced it. I just synced the controller up with my 360, and I know that's crazy that you're having to sync a wired controller. And I still ended up getting an official first-party controller. My Halo Reach, like I think it's the limited edition console bundle controller, the one which I think it looks really nice. But I bought it because I thought it looked nice, and because I was worried that the solution wasn't a permanent fix. So now where the customer support thing comes in. So this headset I had to actually get warranty parts on. The cable I had to get a new cable for my Astro A10s. So I contacted Astro support, and while I was at it because I had that other controller, so I thought, hey, let's contact powerA support while we're doing this. Actually, I think it was after my issue with Astro got resolved. I contacted powerA support to see. Because I was just like, you know what? I'm already contacting one support company. Let's just contact the other one because I'm almost done with this. And let's see if I can maybe get something out of it. Or at least get them to tell me something that could make it so like it was a permanent fix. And I never went. It took them a month and 12 days. And if you want proof of this, so I opened the ticket on September 28th, 2018. They got back to me on November 9th of 2018. And I put those dates into a date finder thing, so like you could see how long it was between two dates. And it told me 1 month and 12 days. So over a dang month to get back to me. So yeah. I would just not recommend trying to contact their support. I just recommend buying a new one. 5. If you're looking for an Xbox One controller on cheap, look for a sale. Buy from a third-party brand like PDP, which is actually a quality brand, which is actually the used one I have. My used one's a PDP. Or check GameStop. Literally, my second controller, Xbox One controller, was like $15 at GameStop, like $15-$20, and it works fine. So if you don't want to spend a ton of money on a new one, just look for a sale or buy one used. So yeah, that's all for this one. Thank you all for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. As always, thank you all so much for supporting the channel. Bye for now. Peace.